Hi there, my name is Gena Golden with Inner Coach Counseling. I'm going to do a quick video on tapping for dental care, right? We're tapping because you may have extreme nervousness, worry, or stress around going to the dentist and getting a particular procedure done. So, this is not necessarily an instructional video. I'm just going to take you through it. I want you to tap along with me, say what I say. You can always adapt the words if they don't resonate with you, and you can replace them. This is a modified tapping session because we're only going to do positive affirmations as we tap. We're not going to say anything negative here on this particular video. Okay, so if you need to use this video, if you're about to go to the dentist, if you're about to get a procedure done, this will be a great supportive and educational video for you so that you can feel a little bit better before you have your procedure. Okay, so you can pick your left hand or your right hand to tap on. Okay. Before we get started, I want you to measure your level of distress from 1 to 10. 10 being your highest level of distress around going to the dentist, and 1 would be your least number. Okay, so go ahead and identify what that number is, and you can write it down or you can just make a mental note. All right. So, even though I am very worried about going to the dentist, I'm extremely afraid, I'm very scared, I still love and accept myself. So, go ahead and repeat that in any variation that you would like to, right? So, this is just your setup statement. Okay, now go tap to the very top center of of the top of your head. Okay, repeat after me. I look forward to feeling better. I look forward to a positive outcome. I remain calm. I am confident. I visualize things going well. I ask the dental professionals what I need to feel comfortable. I look forward to the procedure. I will feel better after the procedure. I know that my mouth will heal. I feel confident that the pain will go away. I will even sleep and eat better. I trust the dental professionals to help me. I am not afraid. I am at peace. The process will go smoothly. When I arrive, I will settle in and settle down. I will listen to music that soothes me. I wear comfortable clothing to help me. I bring a small item that will make me feel safe. I trust that everything will go well. I practice my deep breathing daily. My body will remain relaxed. Even my gag reflex will be relaxed. I know that my mouth will heal fully. I look forward to having this procedure completed. Now I want you to rest your arms and just taking some deep breaths through your nostrils and then out through your mouth about 4 times, okay? Now, as you inhale, I want your belly to expand out. And as you exhale, I want your belly to push in, your navel to go all the way in, almost as if it's going back to your spine and just pushing out the air. Okay? Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Now just shake your body. Take your arms and shake out any tension. Just shake it out. Just shake it out. Just shake it out. Yeah, roll your shoulders around and around, up and down, forward and backward. Get all that tension out of your body that you've been storing in there the whole time. Okay? Now take your shoulders and go all the way up to your ears and just hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then drop it. Feel that tension. Can you feel it? Yeah, just feel the tension flowing. And always check in with your belly to see if it's tight or if it's released, right? If you know that you feel that tension in your belly, you probably need to take some deep diaphragmatic breathing so that your belly can expand out and then let go. That way you'll know that you're no longer holding the tension in your belly. So do this tapping before your procedure. If your procedure is this week, do it every day before your procedure. You can even do it right in the waiting room or while you're in the dental chair, right? You can just do a really quick tapping session. Again, a full tapping session would involve tapping on all of the negative thoughts, feelings, and beliefs that get trapped within the body. We did not do that. This was just a modified version, something to give you some quick relief before your procedure. So I would encourage you to do it every morning and every evening leading up to your procedure. This will help to get you out of your fight or flight, right? Help your body to relax and remain calm, right? Remember when you came up with that number of distress that you were feeling from 1 to 10? So after you've done a complete tapping session, ask yourself what number from 1 to 10 you are, and that will let you know if your level of stress or distress has gone up or down. If it's gone up, you want to keep doing this over and over until you get some alleviation of your feelings of worry, stress, and distress. Okay? So I hope that was helpful. Once again, my name is Gena Golden with Inner Coach Counseling LLC in Atlanta, Georgia. And thank you for joining me on another session of the Blue Couch.